Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel Merchant Navy Decoded. Today I've got a very special guest and her name is Mrs. Neetu Jaiswal and she is running a placement consultancy called Nevexel. जहाँ पर मैं मर्चेंट नेवी डिकोडेड में टॉक अबाउट ट्रस्ट 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 ऑल द टाइम, तो उसमें नीतू जायसवाल जी का नाम भी आता है, जिन्होंने बहुत सारे सी फेयर्स को शी हैज हेल्प्ड टू सक्सेसफुली ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम शिप टू शोर. And I have got some questions, but first of all, I would like to welcome ma'am. Welcome to Merchant Navy Decoded. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. Namaste, Praneet. Thank you very much for inviting me for your channel. अभी तक तो मैं सीफेरस का इंटरव्यू लेती थी, अभी एक सीफेरा मेरा इंटरव्यू लेता है, तो इट्स अ प्रिविलेज.
Ma'am, you have earned that, and I'll be very honest. The day I saw Captain Vijay's LinkedIn profile, I had heard about you before that as well. So Captain Vijay ने जब अपनी प्रोफाइल में डाला था that you helped him with a successful C2 source ship to shore transition, and then I got positive reviews from. That was the time I contacted you, and I knew that you're a trustworthy source, because it is always most important is someone trustworthy or not. So that was one of the things. So ma'am, first thing is ki how did you start your journey guiding seafarers for a successful shore transition, especially when you have never been on sea yourself?
Wow, interesting question. And in fact, many of them ask me the same. Since neither I'm a seafarer, nor I belong to seafaring community. तो कहते हैं ना प्रणीत, ये डेस्टिनी आपके लिए सब कुछ कर देता है. तो आई जस्ट गॉट अ पाथ एंड आई फॉलोड ऑन दैट पाथ. एंड इट सो हैपेंड कि रिक्रूटमेंट बिजनेस में आई वाज लॉन्ग बैक. आई स्टार्टेड माय करियर इन वे बैक 2005, and I was into recruitment for senior level hirings in a consulting firm. All right, and but there I used to do only for non-marine. And after I just worked for 2.5 years there, and then I was on a break. And it so happened that one of my clients, who himself was a seafarer, so he wanted to set his company. So I had set up his company. I mean, a lot of candidates I had given, and I mean, it is a very reputed travel firm. And और एक बार क्या हुआ, one of the Danish company, they were setting their office here in India. So he recommended my name to them that she's trustworthy. You just talk to her, she will set up. And journey ऐसे शुरू हुई. पहले उन्होंने finance, IT, HR का team establish किया. And he was very happy with the quick turnaround and the quality of resource which I had given. So one fine day he asked, Neetu, you have given such a quality resource. Would you be able to help us in doing this technical role? I said, Captain, I have never seen any ship. And I don't know, what kind of resources, what kind of talents would be required. Just give me 2 days. तो मैंने 2 दिन जो है पूरा गूगल करा, पूरा समझा ये रोल क्या है, कैसे है. और उन दिनों आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 2008, सीफेरस का डेटा नहीं होता था. LinkedIn भी not very active, but I was on LinkedIn since I was in an executive search firm. And naukri.com पे भी कुछ भी नहीं मिलता था. So it was a very very challenging thing, but at the same time very exciting for me कि मैंने चलो कुछ तो डिफरेंट करना है. एंड आई सेड ओके, आई विल डू इट. फिर मैं आई एंड देन रिसर्च कर करके एक दो नाम बताया और उन्होंने कुछ मुझे टेक्निकल रोल दिया, प्लांट मेंटेनेंस सुपरिंटेंडेंट. तो मैंने कहा व्हाट इज दिस सुपरिंटेंडेंट और ये प्लांट मेंटेनेंस क्या होता है. तो आई हैपेंड ढूंढते 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 मैंने 2-3 चीफ इंजीनियर से बात करा कि मेरा. और वन चीज आई हैव रियलाइज, व्हेन यू टॉक टू अ सीफेरर एंड आस्क अबाउट द जर्नी, दे आर वेरी हैप्पी कि आपने ये कैसे किया. एंड आई फाउंड इट सो इंटरेस्टिंग कि शिप की जर्नी वो शेयर करते थे. और बातों बातों में मैं उनसे काफी कुछ सीखते जाती थी. अच्छा, शिप पे ऐसे होता है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता है तो आप लोग कैसे हैंडल करते हो. दैट वे आई लर्न, ओके ये सारी चीजें होती हैं. Then search कर करके finally I was able to give 2-3 resource, and he was surprised कि how did you get it. I said don't ask me, I just went via and then finally I could get it. तो हुआ and my first placement happened. I'm talking about 2008 नहीं 2009 में I must have I did that first. And then उसके बाद again उन्होंने बोला I want to do a few more hirings are there. So I did that also. So for the last 2.5 years I was doing only for one shipping company, and international firm थी. And since I was working from home at that time, मेरा बच्चा भी छोटा था, grow कर रहा था. And I used to work only for maybe 2 to 3 hours, and I enjoyed. मैंने कहा this is a very interesting field. बाकी रिक्रूटमेंट बिजनेस और सर्च में तो पूरी दुनिया है. उन दिनों में I researched, there were only very few players like Fastream, Spinnaker, they were the known name in shipping. तो मैं इनके वेबसाइट पे देखती थी कि what kind of requirements comes in, what types of people they hire. And then when I searched them, देखा वहां भी तो कोई सीफेयर नहीं है who are doing hiring, so why not me. तो करते 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 I used to read a lot. और जो भी जॉब पोस्टिंग होती थी मैं बहुत पढ़ाई करती थी. शिपिंग का पूरा एक्सेल शीट बना रखा था, क्या क्या टर्म्स होते हैं. तो इन दैट वे माय इंटरेस्ट डेवलप, समथिंग न्यू टू लर्न. और फिर मैं ये जितने सी फेरर्स का मैं इंटरव्यू उनसे पूछती थी, and they used to find so happy, and they say, you know, you are a non-mariner and you're so inquisitive and asking all these questions, and I really appreciate this. तो इस तरह से ना एक कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप हुआ, उनका ट्रस्ट मुझ पे हुआ कि दिस गर्ल इज नॉट फ्रॉम अ सीफेयर बट ट्राइंग टू हेल्प अ सीफेयर. So in that way I was able to build a reputation, and in fact you won't believe Praneet, जो 2008 में जिन लोगों के साथ हूँ थी मैं, and you know they're all senior people, they are still in touch with me and they appreciate and praise me a lot for the place where I've reached right now. एक client से शुरू करके now we are sitting with 100 plus clients. Alright.
That
तो बस ऐसे करते 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 बस कब इस दौरान चल पड़े पता ही नहीं चला, और अदर सेक्टर के भी क्लाइंट थे. बट जब ये मेरे बहुत सारे लोग भी थे, यू नो, हु केम ऑल द वे टू सपोर्ट मी. बट क्लाइंट्स एक ही दो था शिपिंग में, दूसरा था नहीं, तो मैंने कब तो करना पड़ेगा कुछ और, क्योंकि वो कंपनी शायद बंद होने वाली थी, यू नो, इट वाज गेटिंग सोल्ड ऑफ. तो मैंने कब क्या करूंगी शिपिंग का. देन माय सेकंड क्लाइंट वाज टॉम, एंड आई फील सो प्राउड टू से, यू नो, कि टॉम मेरा क्लाइंट हुआ, एंड बहुत छोटे रोल से मैंने शुरू किया. दैट वाज इन अकाउंट्स का रोल था. ऑलराइट. तो वो भी 2 साल पीछे पढ़ पढ़ के वो क्लाइंट मेरे को आया. And they were also very happy कि 4 minutes role was open and within 15 days you close this role. And then they also started to give me technical role और जर्नी शुरू हो गई फिर. तो there was no looking back. और 2015 से मैंने एक्टिवली, यू नो, काफी क्लाइंट बिल्डअप शुरू किया. एंड कभी मैंने बीडी नहीं किया. इट वाज ओनली बाय वर्ड ऑफ माउथ. Like seafarers like you, there were so many people who recommended my name to the companies, and जर्नी ऐसे चल पड़ी. अब बस मैं चली रही हूँ.
ma'am, see, I tell many people, I'll tell you where you have done wonders, and for
Okay.
that a salute and a respect. That is,
Thank you so much.
I'll tell you, ma'am, where. देखिए मैम, I tell everybody out there कि I'm looking for people. I'm building a business out here. I'm building a startup. I'm looking for people who cannot say no to things, and they know how to figure out a way to come out of a room which is dark with no light, and they can figure out to come out. Because I will not have solution for everything. You will have to
Right,
find
true.
out yourself. Ma'am,
Yeah.
you did that. You did that. You did not know anything, but you just kept on doing, kept on. ये करती हूँ, ये करती हूँ, ये करती हूँ, ये करती हूँ. जिस दिन जय माता दी हो गया.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, that is one thing that makes you different and unique, and that is why people respect you as well. Now, ma'am, why this name Nevoxel? Just asking out of curiosity.
Interesting question. When I had set up this company, I was very clear, मुझे एक generic नाम नहीं रखना. I wanted to keep something tongue twister kind of a name, जिससे लोग पूछे why this. अभी for example अगर मैं seafarer shore services रखती, 50 लोग हैं, so, you know, you need to stand out. So I said, why not, you know, I started something new. So it has evolved and suddenly it will excel. That fire was there in me. And I was a newly entrepreneur, and then, you know, I wanted to give that spark was there in me. So मैंने कहा Evoxel. It was, the name was Evoxel. So one fine day when I said Neetu has started this, so why not my initial come here? That's how it became Nevoxel.
Okay.
And I wanted a unique name, so there's no copycat. गूगल करो नाम नहीं मिलेगा. तो
Ma'am,
इन शॉर्ट
नाम मिल भी जाए लेकिन नीतू जायसवाल दूसरी नहीं मिलेंगी. I would say this way. जय माता दी.
I really don't know.
ठीक है मैम, that is a great journey to save out. Thank you very much, Neetu ma'am, for such a lovely insight, sharing your knowledge about how you started the journey, about Nevoxel, and how you, when you were inside a room, a dark room, you found out a way yourself to recruit seafarers, transform the journeys, even without being a seafarer, never been on ship as well. But ma'am, last but not the least, ending this video is, कभी दिल किया शिप पे जाने का? आज तक कभी गए कि आज तक कभी नहीं गए?
Of course, मुझे तो लगता है मैं शिप पर ही हूँ, इतनी कहानियां सुनती हूँ सबकी.
बट आप कभी आज तक गए नहीं हो? कभी नहीं
आज
गए?
तक नहीं गए.
मैम
आज
प्लीज,
तक
अब
नहीं
एक बार
गए.
आपको जाना चाहिए, कभी ना कभी, चाहे
100%
कुछ एक बार
जाएंगे.
जाना चाहिए. With this,
बिल्कुल
thank you very
जाएंगे.
much, ma'am. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी.
Thank you so much, Pranit, for giving me an opportunity to share my experience of dealing with the seafarers.
Thank you, ma'am.